Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple and cute animation in Procreate. Now this is going to be a really beginner version of animation and anybody can do this, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created this cute ghost animation, which is very simple to do. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So to start off with, I'm just going to change the color of the background. Now I already have my color swatches in a palette, so I'm going to use that for the whole illustration. And now I'm just going to create or draw a cute ghost. And I don't know, I'm just figuring out what brush to use. Okay, I don't like this brush, so I might go with a brush from inking or maybe drawing. I'm gonna use this brush. Yeah, this looks fine. So now I'm just gonna draw a cute ghost. So once my whole illustration is ready, I'm gonna animate this. Now before I start animating this, I just want to let you guys know that in Procreate, every new layer is a new frame for animation. So keeping that in mind, we are gonna animate this cute little ghost. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna enable the animation timeline like this. So as you can see, when I create a new layer, new frame comes up in the timeline. So that's how it works. So I want my ghost to move upwards and then downwards. So for that, what I'm doing is I'm duplicating the initial layer, and to move him upwards, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna select the area where the ghost is like this, and I'm gonna move him a bit upwards. Now as you can see here, we can actually see the previous frame or the previous image in the sequence. The reason is I have enabled onion skin frames. Now what it does is it lets you see the previous image or the previous frame in the sequence so that you can place your object accordingly. So that's how it works. So I'm gonna repeat the same process. I'm just gonna duplicate the layer again. And I'm gonna move him a bit upwards as well. And this time I'm also gonna be changing his expressions. So, but before that, I'm just gonna move him a bit upwards. So what I've done here is I have changed his expressions to in the third frame or the third layer. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a few elements here and there. At this point, I'm just playing around with it. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna duplicate the third layer or the third frame, and I'm gonna move him it upwards again. Also, I'm gonna make few little changes in his expressions and also in the elements around him. Now, as the upward motion is done, I'm going to create the downward motion. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate all of these 3 frames or these layers, and I'm going to arrange them in reverse. You'll see what I'm doing here. Now let's see how this is working. Looks really cute. Now you can change frames per second according to your likings. I'm just going to decrease it as I want it to be a bit slow. Also, you can select from these different styles if you want your animation to be a loop animation, ping pong animation, or one shot animation. I tried ping pong animation and I loved it. So really play around with it and find out what you really like. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys the next time.